Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the concept composition of two functions f and g. தமிழில் வந்து கூட்டுச்சார்புன்னு சொல்கிறோம் சரியா. Composition of function கூட்டு சார்பு f such that a to b, g such that b to c. These f and g are two functions. Then the composition of f and g is denoted by f dot g and is defined as a function g dot f, that is g of f of x. G of f of x can write like this. Then f of f dot g equal to f of g of x. So we can see an example for this. Okay. In exercise 1.5, using the function f and g, find f dot g and g dot f and check whether f dot g is equal to g dot f. Sorry. Now f of x is given, g of x is also given. F of x is equal to x minus 6, g of x is equal to x square. So now we are going to find f dot g. So f dot g, how can we write? F of g of x, okay? F of g of x. So for example, now f of x is equal to x plus 1. So how can we find f of 2? See, instead of this x, we substitute this 2 here. So 2 plus 1. So f of 2 is 3. Like this. Here also we are going to substitute. Instead of x in f of x, we are going to substitute the value of g of x. Okay. Here x is there now. We are going to substitute this x square here. Okay. So what is g of x? X square. So f of x is equal to x minus 6. இங்கே x இருந்தா இங்கே x இருக்கு இல்லையா, இங்கே 2 இருந்தா x க்கு பதிலா 2 இருக்குது இல்லையா, அதே மாதிரியே இப்போ x ஸ்கொயர் இருந்தா x க்கு பதிலா இங்கே என்ன இருக்கணும், x ஸ்கொயர் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா. So instead of x we substitute x square minus 6. Okay, do you understand? So this is f dot g. So we keep it as 1. The next we are going to find g dot f. So g of f of x we are going to find. G of f of x. So like this. What is g of x? X square. In this g of x, see, you have x here. So what's the value? X square. So instead of this x, what we are going to substitute? F of x. Okay. What is f of x? X minus 6. So instead of this x, we are going to substitute x minus 6. So x minus 6 the whole square. So this is 2. See, when we see this, we know clearly that x square minus 6, x minus 6 the whole square, both are not equal. Yeah. Therefore, x square minus 6 is not equal to x minus 6 the whole square. Therefore, f dot g is not equal to g dot f. Okay. Do you understand? See, likewise, you can see so many problems are there in exercise 1.5. You can do yourself.